Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick little video here checking out this pretty cool ROM which is available for your Zenfone 2, the ZE551ML model, and you can see that the ROM scene is actually hotting up here for the Zenfone 2, and it's about time because Asus is taking its time to get Android 5.1.1 on the device, and it desperately needs it really, given that the old Lollipop that it does launch with. So this is Resurrection Remix ROM, and it's coming with Android 5.1.1 underlying it, and we wanted to check it out here to see how it looks on the device. Big fan of Resurrection Remix. I've installed it on quite a lot of my devices because it's usually very stable and very stock-like. So you can see we do have this nice new logo here, which is a little bit different from before. Some of the features you'll find on this are basically improvements to the battery life, navigation bar, as well as theme chooser as well, battery bar customization, nav bar dimension like customization as well. So lots of nice stuff there. And you can see it is booted up here, so it's saying that there's a ROM update available, so it looks like you do get your over-the-air kind of support here, which is very nice. Also, if we have a look here into the app drawer, you can see it's coming with the same kind of vertical app drawer as like the OnePlus on CM12.1, so that is a love it or hate it thing here. But it's certainly an interesting way of doing it here. So we can have a look here at the notification area. You can see it is quite a stock affair here. So where we're getting audio effects toggle here, which is quite nice, and some other things. So you get your 5.1, obviously quick access to the Wi-Fi here, which is good. And if we go into the settings, you can see we do get some configuration here, so you can make changes to the status bar, add a brightness control. So let's have a look at that. So I think that's added the brightness control there. It seems quite weird having on-screen buttons as well as the capacitive buttons, but I'm guessing that probably you can turn them off somewhere if you don't want them. But you can see there's definitely a lot of settings here, such as show carrier label, even the temperature, which is good. So you can show the temperature here. I'm getting a bit of lag there. Maybe it's because I need to update it. As I said, I've just kind of flashed it on here, so it might be a little bit weird until I do update it, but I did just want to get this up and check it out here. So if we go into here, you can see the display. We do get the ability to change the LCD pixel density, make it into a Quad HD or a 4K like the Z5 Premium. I'm only joking, obviously, can't go that high. But you can see we do have some battery modes here, performance or power save, which is very nice. Also system profiles. So if we go into the about phone, you can see the actual information here for those who want to know. So far, it looks like a pretty cool ROM here that is definitely worth checking out. I think that the Zenfone 2 is definitely like a fantastic phone here, especially for the money. It's just the software is kind of a bit like love it or hate it really. You can see we do have themes here as well, which is quite nice. So we can just try this. Very intricate themes. Settings. So this is called the dark red theme, and as you can see it is dark red, which which is very nice. And there's obviously going to be others there as well for those who want to check that out. So, you know, I'm digging this ROM. You know, I might actually keep this ROM on the device for quite a while actually, until Asus bring out the official Android 5.1.1, or even Android M would be nice. But nevertheless, you know, I'm very impressed here with this, and I think that you should definitely check it out here. Just quickly check the camera. So it's obviously a stock affair here for the camera as well. You know, it's very close to the Nexus. It seems to work as well, which is good. You do have your video. So that's all working, which is good. And also your multi-user support, which is very good. And have a look at so you can see some of these apps obviously come from maybe CyanogenMod, quite a few of them, like this equalizer. I think the stock equalizer on the Zenfone is a bit poor, so this could be an improvement here. But definitely worth checking out. Nevertheless, you know, I think it's a win here. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have a Zenfone 2, I will leave a link in the description if you want to get it on your device. It is very straightforward, and yeah, so just a quick little video here checking out this Resurrection Remix ROM for the Zenfone 2. Hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.